In this video, I am going to show you how to apply effects to our video. So for this purpose, first of all, we have to, as usual, go to File, New Project, select 16:1 widescreen project, then import a particular media file, like by going to import then media file. So I have already imported this one file here, which is farm.mp4. Now by pressing plus icon, we can bring that file to the timeline as seen here on the timeline. Now if I play this video, you can see it is without any effect. So this is a sugarcane farm which is without any effect. But if you want to add some effect here, then let us see which are the effects available in Filmora. So first we see which are the effects. Here go to effects. Then here we can see there are total of 570 effects available. So we see they are categorized under shake. So these will provide shaky effect, then fox film, then nightlife, background blur, lomography, and so on. We can see black and white, material, common, favorite, stylish, right? So in all there are so many effects, various effects available in Filmora. Let us just see one simple one right from the beginning. Let us say shake. Under shake we can see which are the effects available. These are the 8 effects available. Let us see how to apply these effects to our video. So wherever you want to apply that video effect, we have to first bring this playhead to that particular position and then go to this effect which we want to apply and press on this plus icon. Now we see how this effect will be seen if we play this video. So just take this playhead to the beginning of the effect and press spacebar. So we can see this will produce such a shaky effect to this video, right? Now if you apply another effect here at this particular location, let us say this sideways effect, and see how it looks. So we can see sideways, it is shaky but in sideways. So this is the way we can apply this effect. If you want to see fox film effects, and I apply it somewhere here by pressing on plus icon, and just see how this effect is. So it will look like this. Okay, if you go to any other available effect like this sage effect, and if you want to apply it somewhere here, then go to this effect and just see this video will look something like this. So this is the way we can apply various effects to our video files. If you want to see what are there under black and white effects, so we can see first we bring that effect over the video, and then after playing we can see the whole video is now becoming black and white. We can even change the duration. We can change the effect of duration by going to the particular effect, press right mouse, go to duration, and now here we can change the duration from say 5 to only say 3 seconds, and then OK. We can see that effect has now been reduced in terms of time. So this is the way we can see and apply various effects. We can even apply distortion effect, and for this purpose we have to bring it to the timeline first, and then we can see the distortion effect will look like this. So there are so many effects, whichever is suitable to your video, and if you really want to apply, we can apply that effect to the video. If you want to see what's there under old film effects, double click on this. Now under old film effects you can see all these effects require download. You cannot directly use them. For that you need to have internet connection. Double clicking on this will get this effect downloaded. After pressing plus icon you can bring it to the timeline, and then only that effect will get added. I hope you understood how to apply these effects to the video. For all related videos you can see the description below for links of the related videos.